Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. This is the second video for What's in a Box craft supply haul. We got this big boy today. Let's see what it contains. Okay, so it looks like there's stamps and dies. Whoa. Nice. Now I just gotta find a white paper. Alright, let's get started with this one first. I have probably like 9 boxes, so for each box I'm gonna make its own video. Okay, so first we have flowers. Now I don't really, now that I've been doing more and more dies, I realize I don't really like dies that are all together, because I either have to cut it through twice or color it. But it is pretty big, so it takes up a lot of space. Cowboy boots. My brain just froze. What is this? Gardening supply. Arches. I call this the edge when there is nothing on the end and you can make it long. And this has butterflies. This one is maybe a gift. This is also a butterfly and just like a swirly something. This one is a corner. Butterfly corner, possibly duplicate. You know what I do with duplicates? I put them in the giveaway, which you can go and apply to the one that is open right now. What is this? This is flowers. We'll figure it out when I open it. And this is butterflies. Okay, let's see. A stamp and a corresponding die. I love it. Very thin lines, but not extremely thin, so I think it's gonna be really good quality. Halloween is past, so this will have to keep for next year. And I'm pretty sure I have more Halloween stuff laying around in the 2 open craft supplies. Mail. I have so much mail. Also, same thickness of the line. And what I love about this is you can put these little cuties inside the basket. Good. There's links down below for some of the things I bought on Aliexpress. It may or may not be in this package, some of them, but when you scroll down you will see the suggested ones. Again with this one, butterfly and then the butterfly. I gotta finding my orders to see what you're supposed to make with, because I don't remember anymore. It's been a while. I went on vacation and I'm still mentally there on vacation. Okay, oh, I love this one. Okay, I remember this one. This is also edge, so it runs through and you can fold it in the back. And these are teacups. That's about that for Alice. Bunnies. You can make anything with bunny ears. You can just put the bunny ears on anything and make an Easter card. Alright, so this is a bunny and 2 outlines for it. A bigger and a bigger. This one you would do in 1 color. Another one of these. No, there's 2 more of these. Well, each contain 2, so I don't even remember what you're supposed to do with it. I think it's for book covers and what is that thing for the books? Oh, my brain is definitely freezing. Waves and clouds. So you can cut out different layers and put them on top of each other. And grass. Sounds good. Frame. Leaves. Very good. This one also an edge, so it will continue going down. And this is Santa. Gotta put that aside. I love it. Although it's gonna be one color, so I either have to color it or just leave it in one color. Circles, more waves, 4 edges. We got sentiments. Happy birthday, birthday in different fonts. Love you in different fonts. Thank you in different fonts. These are things that I needed because I have a lot of stamps but not a lot of dies for sentiments like this. And the sentiments I do have, they were always either too small or too big. This is hello, welcome, cupcakes. So cute. You can literally put a smiley face on anything. You can put a smiley face on a mushroom. Like this one. You can put that winky face on the mushroom. These are so adorable. I love it. Num num num. I really want some cupcakes right now. Okay, so this is a fairy one. And we have a corresponding die with it. Very good lines. I think it's gonna be really, really sharp. And yeah, I'm excited. Next one is, oh, so cute, but I'm late for Halloween. Next year. We have corresponding die with it too. It's gonna be really good. I was looking to do Halloween cards, but I didn't find it what I like imagined. And it's right there. That's why I wanted to do like cute Halloween animals. Meh, too late. Oh well. Next year, right? Christmas stamp. Gonna put that aside as well. What I do before putting it in its package, I tape them so I don't lose them. Okay, the first half part is done. Now, this one. This is like 8 pounds. Okay, the first we have is seagulls with corresponding die. I'm surprised there's not one with stolen food. Like we could put like a piece of pizza in his mouth. Very cute. Good lines. Ahoy! Next one we have unicorns. Looks cute. A lot of room to color. I love it. Flowers. Ooh, I love it. Thin lines. Have to be a little bit careful with coloring, although I'm trying to only use waterproof black ink when I'm planning to color with markers. But it's a little bit crowded. Like the leaves are a little bit crowded. Okay, then we have this Indian, what is that called? I'm not sure what the proper name for it is. The stand up. The statue. Indian statue with the birds on top. For knitting. Perfect for making something for your grandma. This is a background that cuts out little stars. Then we have a watch. What I love about this one is it's not just one watch altogether, because I have watches. There's a whole little section of dies that are called watches. However, oh, gotta save this, put it aside for Christmas gnomes. All my watches are just one piece, but this one is, we can do the background a different color and then put this on top of it, and the chain maybe like with gold. So I love this one. Bunnies. I'm starting not to like the just regular cuts because I really have to color them. For Halloween. There's a haunted house and something else behind it. And then we have this little one. This is good for tags. Okay, I see some stamps coming. More more unicorn. I feel like I have not done enough unicorn cards or projects, even though I have so many. No, I mean, so many. Too much. Wait. I believe this is a duplicate, but the stem that I have, it's not in. This is like a really weirdly shaped stamp set. Like, let's see. Like this one. This is how it should be. So until here, but this one's a little higher for some reason. I think this has got to be a duplicate. I know I've seen these too. This one has buttons and 3 different sizes for the longer card. Oh, I always forget the name for the longer card. Beautiful. This is a frame for a card, and the mid 3 you can take apart. A corner flowers, a edge dragons, so it will continue going all the way to the end. Infinity almost. Stamp background stamp, very beautiful. I think it's gonna be good quality. It's pretty big. Interested to try it out. This I love. You can put any picture inside the frame. You can even do a sticker. You've seen from all my videos that I have a lot of stickers, especially like you can put a mushroom or a butterfly ones. You can put it in there. This one, I wanted to get this for babies. I really love how big this is. So I think it will be perfect for like little baby cards. Like it's a boy, it's a girl. Congratulations. We're expecting. Keyhole for Alice. This one was very hard to find. Very hard to find. Oh, what's the name of this? The Indian triangle house. My brain is freezing again. And then bird. And what I like about this one is, oh, it's the bird. I forgot the name. What I like about this is that I don't have to color. I can just do separate of the body parts, and they'll all be different color. And I don't have to. So that's why I bought this one. This is cross, necklace cross, to do Christian cards or tags maybe. Clock. See, this is what I was telling you. My clocks are usually one piece. Like sometimes this part comes differently, but I would like if maybe the middle was separate and then I can change the color of it. Music and umbrella. Then we have more stamps. Dun, dun, dun. I ordered this because it's so big, like pretty big, and it takes up a big space on the card. You guys, I'm on a diet. I should have opened a different box. Candy. Looks a little bit familiar. Maybe duplicate. Well, we'll find out one day. Coffees and pies. Look at that. You can put the smiley face on the teacup. It'll be so cute. Oh, this one has hands holding a heart. And there's a macaroon. I love this. And the corresponding die. The problem is what I do. Oh, there's a sliced apple. What I do is I stamp them. I stamp multiple items on one paper and then color them all together. I sit down and watch a movie and then color them. And then I forget which has a corresponding die. So I end up not using the corresponding die. I need to be a little more careful with that. These are sentiments, big sentiments. Thank you. This frame. Let me put it this way. This leaves like this, I do like to color. What I do, what you've seen me do, I cut it out green and then I add a little bit of a brushing of a different shade of green on it. I think it makes it look really, really nice. Tin. Good. Oh, look at that. This is really good for a bee themed, like bee honey themed something. This is adorable. And it's also the edge that goes infinity on the bottom. Okay, we have a few more. Also, edge and another edge. Parrot and the bird, the little bird, the little one. That's this one. So with these, you either have to color, or you can just leave it in one single colored paper. This is so many. I don't think I have a set that has this many dies in it. I have a lot. They hang on the inside of the walls of the shelves. This flowers that you can put together. Same flower, but in different sizes. Leaves. Tags. Another one. Flower. Ooh, I gotta put these on the side so I can use it now. For winter stuff. This one's awesome. Move few more. Ooh, that's nice. This kind of looks like that that Asian fruit, the star fruit. I think that's what it's called. When you cut it in little slices, it's delicious. This is how it looks. Nice. Okay. Oh, guess what? That was it for this What's in a Box video. So many good stuff. So many good corresponding dies with stamps. I love it. Now, just need more space to organize. Yeah. Okay. That was it for today. I hope you guys liked it. As always, there's an open giveaway going on right now, and I will talk to you guys in the comments.